whipped feta, slow roasted tomatoes. If you like feta, I mean, I can't imagine sort of improving on it, but here we are. And we're about to do just that. So walk us through. What are we doing?
This, I have to say, is one of my favorite dishes. You will be taking this when we can gather and have friends. Like, this is the dish to go. So it's a two-step. But it's hardly any work. Like, it's super simple. We have tomatoes, some nice cherry tomatoes, some fresh thyme, some peppercorn, garlic, and some bay leaves. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna add in half a cup of canola oil, and we're gonna slow roast our cherry tomatoes. This is the secret to the topping of the dish.
Okay, how long does that go on for?
An hour and 15 minutes.
Okay.
275.
275, okay.
Like, walk away, like it's super easy. So let's put that in the oven.
Sure.
And we'll get that cooking. Nice, thank you. And now we make the whipped feta. Okay, change your world. So we have our feta that's gonna go into our food processor. You can do it by hand, but if you have a food processor, so much nicer.
When I first heard the whipped feta, I'm like, what could possibly be going in here? So tell us.
Sour cream, because we want it to be nice and creamy and smooth. We get that saltiness from the feta. But it's jam-packed with flavor. And feta can be like it's a local Canadian ingredient. We also have lemon juice. Add in some liquid, which is beautiful. And we have garlic.
I just also want to mention that this is going to be one of the meal kits that are available through Supper Central for a limited time. Some of the recipes that we make on Great Taste this season, this being one of them. You can come down to Supper Central and pick it up.
And some hot sauce. You need the hot sauce. Like, it can take it, yes. Okay, and a little bit of canola oil to get that all zippity-doo-dah to 1 big tablespoon.
Another technical
the zippity-doo-dah,
cooking term.
That's how we roll here.
Zippity-doo-dah.
Okay. Haha. Blend that together. Right, like it can't get any simpler than that.
Yeah, that's it.
Sit it, walk away, have it be what it needs to be. All right, let's take it.
Because the idea is that it's like
I'm just gonna give it a blend. Yes, you want it to be nice and smooth.
Well, we're almost there.
We're almost there.
Yeah. And so what would you, besides eating it directly out of the
just licking it out of the jar. Yeah.
What else would you have that on?
I would make a really simple crostini. And so, you're gonna do a baguette in either in rounds or diagonal, a little bit of canola oil in the oven, 400 degrees for like 8 minutes.
Okay.
And then you're gonna serve it with that. So let's just get that whipping.
Go, 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 go.
And then you have to taste this.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Have a little taste.
Let me have some.
So I would whip it to be a little bit smoother in there, but you're getting like that salty goodness flavor. The lemon adds a nice little zest to it. So great. When the tomatoes are done, you're gonna have all this leftover canola oil that has been flavored with those
peppercorns.
Sorry, I can't hear anything
you're saying. No, I can.
Peppercorns, the bay leaves. Don't throw it away. Save it, strain it.
Very clever.
Here's our cherry tomatoes, and then you're gonna make a marinade out of this. Add a little more lemon juice, lemon zest. I would put it into like a resealable bag with maybe some chicken thighs or chicken breasts, and then put it in the freezer, let it marinate.
You're using everything.
So good. Or make a really great salad dressing.
I was gonna say that could probably work for a mixed salad with greens. Yeah.
3 to 5 days, but this is like the dish of the season. I'm declaring it the dish of the season.
Well, I second that motion, but I was going to ask, like, not that it'll last very long, but how long can that be?
I keep in your fridge for like 3 days.
Okay, awesome.
20 minutes will probably be as long as it lasts in your house with all your.
Not incorrect. It really is so very delicious. So the whipped feta, slow roasted tomatoes, recipe number 3 here on Great Taste of Manitoba. When we come back, we have a couple of up and coming ambitious folks working in agriculture next here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons.